Hi guys, welcome to my page. Today I'm going to be doing a detailed tutorials on how to have that perfect well snatched brows, flawless brows. So I forgot to record when I was taming my brows, so I actually use a brow tamer to lay my brows properly. If you can look very well, my brows is very bushy, but the brow tamer helps the brows to lie very well and also give me the shape that my brows is. Then after that, I went in with my dry powder to absorb the oil from the brow tamer. So the next thing I went on to, I start drawing my brows. I used Davis pencil in color 3 and color 18. So I use color 3 to draw the line, the lower line and the upper line. So this place I was using color 18, which is the light shade, to just light stroke, air stroke, very light. Your brows shouldn't be really thick. Your brows should be as natural as possible. So I used the color 18 to fill inside the brows, and I was doing the other side. The same thing I did the other side is the same thing I was doing this side. Fill in very lightly. And note, when you are drawing your brows, there is what we call brow bone. If you check under your brows, like that place that you apply concealer later, there is a bone underneath there. It is called the brow bone. So always make sure that your brows is above the brow bone. I just wish you understand. Your brows should be above the brow bone, not on the brow bone. So after that, I went in with my spoolie brush to brush the brows in, especially the beginning of the brows. It should always look as natural as possible. Then after that, I went on to define the brows. I use Adventure concealer and HD. I can't really remember that palette concealer, but I mixed the two concealer together because the palette concealer is very thick. It has a very thick coverage, so I had to use the palette concealer with the single concealer because the single concealer has a light coverage, so the both concealers can mix and blend properly. So I went in with my angle brush or your concealer brush to define underneath my brows. That place that I'm putting concealer under the brows now, that is where is called the brow bone. That is the brow bone I was trying to explain. I just hope you are following. So the next thing was I went in with my blending brush to blend the concealer into my skin, right into my eyes. You don't want somebody to be seeing your concealer or somebody to be seeing the demarcation between your concealer, your brows. Now we are not doing that here. Everything should be well and properly blend. So the next thing I did was to define the upper brows. The upper brows, I used my foundation shade so that it will be easy to blend. So if you find this video helpful, if you want me to be dropping this kind of tutorials, comment below in the comment section. Whatever makeup tutorials you want me to be dropping, just drop it there and I'm going to do it for you. Thanks for always watching my videos. Thanks for the engagement, the love, and I love you so much. Bye. Mwah.